Successful companies of all sizes are providing their teams with huddle spaces that are all about meeting quickly. And the audio and video system needs to make connecting and information sharing fast and easy. With the Roland XS-42H matrix switcher, teams can arrive, connect, and display automatically without even having to think about it, making the transition to a new presenter incredibly smooth while keeping everyone focused on the meeting. If the team needs to switch to another presenter, they can use any mobile device as a remote control. When the meeting is done, the team can just disconnect and move on without any worries. The space is ready for the next group to huddle up and collaborate. The XS-42H supports up to 2 screens side by side and lets you share more information to get more done. If you can mount a TV on a wall, then you can install and set up the Roland XS-42H, giving you a huddle space that'll increase your company's productivity. The Roland XS-42H. Meet, share, repeat.